Good afternoon from Barcelona. I'm Nick Harris alongside me, Matt Rhodes and Dylan Gray. Round 7 of the Motogp World Championship.
All Spanish front row, Mark. Fifth row headed by Aleix Espargo, the pole man here 1 year ago. Smith and Pirro joined him on row 5. Hernandez, Laverty, and Andrade, that's your row 6.
Row 7, we have Jack Miller, Tito Rabat, and Alvaro Bautista. 21 riders will contest round 7 of the Motogp World Championship on a glorious Mediterranean afternoon here in Barcelona.
Odds look good for the Yamaha win if you believe in Hunt's going to have Ducati on the line all year. Keep an eye on him in 8th.
So here we go, round 7, the Motogp World Championship. Front row, Patricia, Lorenzo, Marquez, 3 Spanish riders. This is a tribute to one of MotoGP's favourite sons, Luis Salon. Looked at the back of the grid. I think somebody actually
it was Hector Barbara didn't get in the right grid slot.
So here we go, 25 laps of this Barcelona Catalonian circuit. Round 7 of the MotoGP World Championship. Good start again by Jorge Lorenzo. It'd have been better to wait, surely, because if Rossi's going to drag them along, he could have been in that train. Now he's got to work very hard indeed. Lorenzo is a little away at the front. So Lorenzo does take quite gently the first few laps before trying to put on the pressure, but Marquez beautifully placed.
A couple of riders that dropped down the order in the first couple of laps. Barbara, who's in 3rd place in the grid, he's in 9th place. Cal Crutchlow, who was 7th, he's back in 11th. Crutchlow's just taken 10th place from Barbara. Rossi, the fastest man on track on that second lap, 1:46.165. Problems for Bradley Smith. He's at the back of the field down in 21st place. Oh, he just hasn't been comfortable all the time. What about that? Oh, you know he's totally gone. You know he ran at the back of Lorenzo. You know he got it way too hot down at turn number 10. They are going to be Ducati teammates. Wow, that was unbelievable. Andre, you know, what did he do? A repeat of Argentina.
You know, he's at Rossi, but Marc Marquez now leads the World Championship. He can settle for a safe 2nd place and be leading the championship.
Massive moment for Marquez. Marc Marquez just had a huge moment. Lost the front going through turn number 14. Brilliant super slow motion replay. Hearts in mouths for the Repsol Honda team all the time. What about that? Oh, you know he's totally gone. You know he ran to the back of Lorenzo. You know he got it way too hot down at turn number 10. They are going to be Ducati.
Katularan lang, parang katularan lamon yun. May malah lamon. Corona. Enak. Corona. Hindi corona pa rin. Jangan lang yun ya. Whoop.